Hey, so if your campaign is not sending in Mailchimp, yeah, like it's stuck, not going out, or showing errors, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, go to your campaign dashboard and check the status. I mean, if it's still in draft or paused, it won't send. Next, yeah, make sure it's actually scheduled or set to send immediately. I mean, wrong scheduling is a very common issue. Now, make sure your internet is stable. I mean, connection drops can interrupt campaign sending. Yeah, check your audience list. I mean, if there are no valid subscribers, the campaign won't send. Now, make sure your sender, email, and domain are verified. I mean, unverified senders can block campaigns. Yeah, spam triggers, broken links, or suspicious content can stop sending. I mean, Mailchimp may block risky campaigns. Now, session issues can freeze campaign status. Logging out and back in can refresh everything. Yeah, browser issues or extensions can interfere. Try incognito mode or a different browser. If nothing works, check if Mailchimp is having server issues. I mean, outages can delay campaign sending. So yeah, that's how you fix Mailchimp campaign not sending issues. Most of the time, it's scheduling, verification, or server problems. Try these steps and your campaign should send properly. Thanks for watching.